Hello guys, this is Abhishek Panjani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about my journey to ACM ICPC. So I have qualified for the ACM ICPC regionals twice. So whenever we start our competitive programming journey, there is this one term that we come across, that is ACM ICPC. So ACM ICPC is like the Olympics of competitive programming. So it is a dream of every competitive programmer to be a part of ACM ICPC, and I was fortunate enough to be a part of ACM ICPC twice. So in my first year, I came across this competition, and at that time I was not well versed with competitive programming, so I thought of giving it a try next year. Before that, I thought of getting my basics done. So I practiced some data structure and algorithm problems, and I was able to solve around 500 problems in my first year. In the second year, I thought that I was quite prepared for ACM ICPC, and therefore I formed a good team and participated for the online qualifier round. I thought we would be able to manage and get to the ACM ICPC regionals, but we were not that prepared. I was not very frequent in the coding contests that were held on CodeChef and Codeforces, so I was not aware about the atmosphere that it was while participating in a contest. So unfortunately, we were not able to qualify, but I thought that let's practice more and give it a try next year. So I started participating in a number of contests that were held on CodeChef and Codeforces. I practiced number of short contests that were held on Codeforces, and this seemed to be the best thing that I did for the preparation. I learned a lot while participating in these short contests, and it helped me improve my skills. So in the third year, I again formed a completely new team, and this time we were expecting that the results would be little better than before. So my team name was Out of Nowhere, and this team name proved to be a very lucky and very apt for our team. So in the online qualifier round, we were able to solve a single problem. Just after the contest end, we were able to solve the second problem and the third problem as well within 15 minutes of the ending of the contest. So we were not expecting that our team will qualify by solving a single problem, and we didn't had any hope of qualifying this year. But to my surprise, out of nowhere, a team actually qualified for the ACM ICPC Amritapuri regionals. All three were very excited to be the part of ICPC regionals. So we went to Coimbatore for the on-site round, and it was a completely different experience. Our team was able to solve 5 problems, and we enjoyed a lot over there. The experience was completely different. The Amritapuri campus is completely amazing, and it is full of mountains, it is full of clean roads, it was full of forest. So it was a very different experience that we had over there. So let me show you some of my memories from my first ACM ICPC. So after my placements, I thought of giving another try for the ICPC regionals because I wanted to relive the experience. So I formed a completely new team once again and started off my preparation for ACM ICPC. In the online qualifier round, the results were little different than before. We were able to solve 4 problems this time, but unfortunately we were little slow in this, and our name was not there in the main list. To my surprise, again the extended shortlist was announced, and our name was there again out of nowhere. So the team name was very apt for the first year as well as the second year. So again we qualified for the ICPC regionals, and we again went to Coimbatore, seeing the same campus again and reliving these memories that I built last year was again a very good experience for me. So the Amritapuri campus is a very huge campus and is full of greenery. So suppose you want to go from your hostel to the computer labs, or you want to go from your hostel to the dining area, then you have to travel for around 1 to 1.5 kilometers. So this year when I entered the Amritapuri campus, I thought that I would be assigned the same hostel once again. So I directly reached to the hostel that was assigned to me the previous year, but on reaching there, I realized that the participants are accommodated in a different hostel. So it took me around 45 to 50 minutes to actually find the hostel where the participants were accommodated. So I was traveling for 40 to 45 minutes, and I traveled for around 2 to 3 kilometers within the campus, holding all the bags in order to find my hostel. but the walk was actually worth it. So the weather at Amritapuri was very pleasant. In December end, we were actually wearing just a single t-shirt over there, so the weather was neither too warm nor too cool. Just imagine that you wake up at 6 am and walk out of your hostel, and you can feel the pleasant cool breeze, and you walk a little ahead, and what you can see is a big football field full of greenery. If you move around, you can see that the entire campus is covered by mountains. So the accommodation at Amritapuri campus is a completely different experience, and you cannot have this experience in a hotel room. So in the on-site round, my team was able to solve 4 problems. So now let's see some of my memories for this second ACM ICPC. So this was my complete journey for the ICPC. I would love to participate in this contest again if I get a chance. So I will advise everyone to at least try and give this contest because it is super fun to be the part of such an amazing contest. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss about my journey as a competitive programmer, how I learned things, what are the difficulties that I faced in my journey, and what are the achievements that I made throughout the 4 years of my competitive programming. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like the content, if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. Bye bye.